ADT is a huge home security system brand that offers a ton of experience within the security industry. Their blue signs are everywhere, and they've even teamed up with the Property Brothers. Today, we're reviewing this home security giant so you can see if it's right for you. But first, who are we? ASecureLife is a dedicated team of security and tech experts who make your security decisions simple. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Now let's dig into ADT. ADT's experience and reliability take the prize for us. They've been around for 145 years and have monitoring centers across the country, so you always have someone keeping an eye on your system. The essential equipment options for ADT are included in the price of installation. You get your first keypad, backup battery, siren, motion detector, and door sensor without any additional upfront cost. Any extra equipment will cost you, and options to add smart home tech to your system are more limited than with other brands. You can add the security cameras or fancy light bulbs that turn on when you deactivate your alarm, but it comes only with the most expensive monthly package. You won't need to be a tech or installation expert to use ADT's home security services. ADT sends out professional installers to get systems up and running. The installation can be scheduled and completed fairly quickly, oftentimes within a few days. With some monitoring packages, you can get access to the ADT Pulse app. The app lets you manage your system from your phone, wherever you are. Being able to check your entire security and smart home system while you're away is awesome. The basic plan starts at $30 a month. It connects to the monitoring centers using an existing landline. For around $50 a month, you can get everything with the basic plan, a lifetime equipment warranty, and cellular monitoring. That means you don't need a landline for the system to work. The highest tiers will cost you between $60 and $70 a month. We recommend spending the extra cash and getting access to the Suite mobile app and video monitoring for your system. No matter which plan you sign up for, the initial installation will cost you around $100. That all comes with a 36-month contract to start your service, which is pretty standard for the industry. Canceling early will mean paying 75% of the remaining contract. That's a little less than what competitors like Vivint or FrontPoint make you pay. Once you hit the 36-month mark, you can switch to a month-to-month agreement. ADT's industry experience translates to quick response times and good recommendations from their team when your alarm is triggered. For any other system questions or customer service needs, you'll get 24/7 service through their online chat or phone calls. Let's recap. ADT offers the most experience in the industry, and the base equipment is free at no extra cost. They have reliable monitoring and customer service, a handy mobile app, and a more lenient cancellation policy than some of their competitors. But they have fewer equipment choices, limited smart home integration, and you pretty much have to pay ADT's highest monthly cost to enjoy all the bells and whistles, even the ones we think should be included, like mobile access. If you're sold on ADT's reliable monitoring, professional installation, and basic equipment, you're in good company. Still weighing your options? Our Best Home Security Systems video reviews our top 4 recommendations for home security systems. We've also got loads of articles answering questions, reviewing products, and more at ASecureLife.com. Thanks for watching.